go to our YouTube channel for more recipes. Please subscribe. Welcome to Steve's Kitchen. Today we are going to cook bacon. I eat bacon maybe 4 times a year, but I think I found a way how to cook the bacon with less fat. So let's make it happen. So we have the bacon right here. I like to use a Caesar. I preheated the oven to 400. I'm gonna use 2 trays. You see all this extra fat? If it's a way how we can cook it and not having this extra fat. I think if we can make something to taste good with less fat, it's great. And at the same time, if it tastes good, we live healthier. We feel better. So right now we're gonna put the bacon in the oven, then preheat it to 400. Right now, the bacon has been cooking for 15 minutes. I'm taking out some of the fat. That's from 1 tray. Put it back in the oven. This is the second tray of bacon. Look how much fat we have already. You see we're probably gonna get a half a cup of fat out of that bacon. If you can have bacon with less fat, I'm all for that. So we took out the bacon after 5 minutes more. So we have this more oil. And you see the good thing about this bacon, we didn't put any oil or any butter with it, you see? It's almost ready, probably is going to need maybe 10 minutes. And you're gonna have nice crispy bacon with very little fat, with less fat for sure, and when we started it. So more fat on the bacon. I think we can cook it for a few more minutes, but it's almost done. I like my bacon crispy. So I think we can use like 5 minutes. It will be perfect. So this is our bacon. After 30 minutes, maybe 40, it looks nice and lean, crispy. And this is the oil you're not going to have. So let's see how many ounces of oil we got out of the bacon. We took out 6 ounces of fat. I mean, look, a lot of people like to use bacon these days for ice cream and donuts and a bunch of stuff. I love bacon, but I'm sorry, I don't want the fat. I want a nice crispy bacon. Very delicious, crispy, and lean.